Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Coco Renelle, and I am here with something new for my channel, a cleaning video. And we are going to clean my kitchen at night with me. Bear with me. It's not the most organized space in my house, but that's why I am getting ready to start a series of decluttering and getting my house together. But this is my kitchen. It is a pretty decent size for the five of us, but this is how it looks every single night. And I do sometimes clean it this thorough every night. Sometimes I don't. I just make sure that the dishes are at least cleaned on other nights. So here I am starting off with the dishes and that little tray thing over there. I try to make sure that it's empty at night. Sometimes I'll have like or pots or anything like that. If I have like big pots that I cook dinner with overnight, I'll have that drying in a rack. Other than that, I'll wash the dishes and then I'll use my dry towel to dry them off. And what I'm using to wash the dishes with is just regular old Dawn and a scrubbing brush. Okay, on this next clip, I first want to apologize for how the angling is. I was kind of having trouble with certain angles in my kitchen for you guys, but I'm just cleaning off my stove. And what I use to clean my stove off is the Method Honey Apple Crisp all-purpose cleaner. All the cleaning supplies that I use will be linked below for you guys to check it out if you haven't heard of these cleaning products, or if you just want to know what I clean with. I didn't get me cleaning out our microwave because the angling is so weird. Like, it's like in this little corner, and our refrigerator is right next to that corner, so it's just really weird to get angles of me cleaning out our microwave. But I did clean the microwave out and wiped off the counters and cleaned out the sink as well before I started on the stove. And I just used regular paper towel to wipe down the stove. This is just like a really quick and easy nighttime. It's not a deep clean because at night I like to wind down. And sometimes I work from home at night, so I don't want to, get too into detail as far as my cleaning. Now I'm moving on to our little kitchen table. And what I normally do at night is just wash or dust off or shake off our placemats, because our mats as well as our table cover are both cloth. This particular night, because we had clothes that I needed to wash from our vacation during Memorial Day weekend, I end up washing all the towels, so I included the placemats within that as well. Right now, I'm just using the Greenworks disinfectant wipes, and I'm cleaning off. Although, like I said, it's cloth, I am still going to clean it off because, my girls kind of make a mess, and they're children, so I don't expect them to be the cleanest people in the world. And I'm just cleaning off my windowsill as well as our air conditioner. We do not have central air, so this works pretty well as long as all the fans are rolling. And I went off camera, but I was cleaning off the rest of the windowsill, and I already had cleaned off the opposite side. That's why that picture and those flowers are over there. And then I went ahead in that little corner and picked up everything that was in this corner. And I am having difficulty getting this camera together, so you guys bear with me. This is my first cleaning video, so I was trying to make sure I get the angle lean and all that stuff ready for you guys. Now the last thing for me to do is just sweep the floors and make sure everything is swept up. Now, disclaimer, this itty bitty person was supposed to be in bed this night, but it's like all of a sudden she magically had all of this energy as soon as I set up the tripod. And those of you who do or do not know, I just recently gave birth, so I still have a little post baby weight that I'm actually happy with. So that no, I'm not pregnant, so there's no questions like that in the comments. But this is the end result. I didn't get a chance to film me finishing sweeping the floor because my phone ended up dying, but I end up sweeping, and then I end up just real quick Swiffer mopping the floor. This is the end result. Those placemats are actually in the washer. And I like to put the trash can up on that little stand just to avoid our dog getting into it, because we do leave her out at night. This is the sink that is now clean, and the little bit of dishes that I left out to air dry, that's the little weird corner that I was telling you guys about. But this is pretty much it. This is what I do at night. That's my little catch-all bag, and I'm getting ready to put that with the rest of the trash so I can take the trash out in the morning. But this is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Comment down below and let me know if you like videos like this. And if this is your first time here, thanks for watching my video. I hope you consider subscribing. For all of my subscribers, I will see you guys in my next video. Be blessed.